Hi everyone, I'm Dan and welcome to How I Made It. Today I just bought my first lathe and I'm going to see if I can turn a bowl. So what I want to do first, I've just mounted a faceplate onto this block of wood. Not too sure what kind of wood it is, but you just have to screw it onto the headstock here. Okay, now we're going to tighten that down with a spanner. I might just bring the tailstock up for the first part. Alright, let's get turning. So now I've turned the bowl down to round, I'm going to start to form the shape of the bowl. I've just roughed out the shape of the bowl, now I need to sand it to get a good finish, but before I'm going to do that, I need to turn a tenon in this side so my chuck can fit in like this. That was easy enough, now I just need to sand it. For this I won't be needing my face shield, but it's going to get really dusty, so I don't breathe any of it in. I've got the mask. So now I've sanded it up to 800 grit and polished it using cellulose sanding sealer and Yorkshire grit. This really makes it shine in the light. See if I can catch it. There it is. It's shining in the LED light that I've got. And that just makes it look really nice. It feels really smooth because of all the sanding I did. Now what we're going to do is we're going to flip it over in the chuck and start hollowing out the middle. You can imagine when the lathe is turning that the centre doesn't move at all, so you can't really turn that out with a tool because the closer you get to the centre the less it moves. So you have to drill out the very centre with a drill bit in the tailstock, and you just push this forward and it should drill out the centre to make it go a lot quicker for turning. I'm really happy with how this bowl turned out. I'm really sorry I haven't been uploading much lately. It's because I've been waiting to have my lathe. I've been focusing a lot of my ideas into lathe work, but I've only just got my lathe, so yeah. I'll be uploading a lot more now because, well, I just have a lot more ideas. It's a lot easier to make things. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.